Hi guys, I'm Natalie Still from LSWESTONLINE, and I have 3 easy holiday treats that are perfect for this season. So let's check it out. Each of these 3 recipes only have 3 ingredients, which makes it super simple. For this first recipe, we're going to make the classic Rolo pretzels. If you've never made them, you need to make them now. So all you're going to need are the pretzels, Rolos, and the red and green M&Ms. Next, we have 3 ingredient Oreo truffles with just Oreos, melted chocolate, and cream cheese. Last, we're going to make chocolate-dipped candy cane marshmallows. We're finished with our 3 recipes. Happy holidays, and thank you guys for watching.